Okay, it's quadratic equation and graphing exam practice question 32. So we are going to solve m squared minus 8m minus 3 equals 0 using the method of completing the square, giving the answer in exact form. So the first thing we are going to do to complete the square is we are just going to rewrite the equation, but I'm purposely going to leave a gap here of -3. Now, I need to think about a perfect square is two numbers that add up to b and they times together to equal c. So I need to think about what is going in that gap with the red. So the first thing I think about is half of b. So b divided by 2, well that's -8 divided by 2 is -4. So that means I just need to add -4 squared and minus -4 squared. So that tells me that my perfect square is m take away 4. But I also still have left my takeaway -4 squared. Now we know -4 squared is 16. So I'm just going to put 16 in. And then I've got take 3. So we've got -16 take 3. And that becomes m minus 4 squared take away 19. Now, because I've got this takeaway, I'm just going to move this up here, just so I've got some space. So now I've got this here. The first thing I need to think about now is it's almost close to the difference of two squares. So I'm going to make it into that. I'm going to make it into difference of two squares. So to do that, I'm going to square root 19. And I am then going to square it. Now, if we remember the rule is when we've got a squared minus b squared, it is equal to a minus b in brackets and a plus b in brackets. So that's what we are going to be doing. So my a is m minus 4. So I've got m minus 4. Take away my b, square root of 19. That is in one bracket. And then I've also got in the other bracket, I've got my m minus 4. And I'm adding b, adding the square root of 19. And there we have it.